We're trying to figure out at what height in feet is the object 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum height. If you were to square this equation, square out the t minus 3, you would have a quadratic, meaning the highest exponent on the variable would be 2. It'd be a t squared. And the graph of a quadratic is a parabola. It either opens up, if this is positive, or it opens down if this is negative. So in this case, it opens down. And this is the maximum. It's also called the vertex. So if I knew this vertex, and we know that we're dealing with time and height, if we knew the time when it hit the highest point, we would add 2 to it, since we're trying to figure out what is the height of the object 2 seconds after it reaches its maximum height. Well, this is a special form. Let me erase something. This equation tells me what the vertex is. The vertex is opposite of whatever's here. That's 3, and then whatever that number is. So this vertex would be 3, 150. And what that means is after 3 seconds, it's hit a maximum height of 150. And this makes sense because if you were to throw an object up, it's going to go up and then it's going to come back down. So it reaches its maximum after 3 seconds. But we're trying to figure out the height after 2 seconds. So we're dealing with 5 seconds. So plug in, and it says at what height. So plug it back in the height equation. So we have height equals negative 16, 5 minus 3 squared plus 150. So that's going to be the height equals negative 16. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4 plus 150. That's a height. That's 4 times 6 is 24. That's 64. Negative 64 plus 150. And negative 64 plus 150, that's 86. So your answer is B.